Beef.
To put it in perspective, it takes 10,000 gallons of water to make 1 pound of beef. It takes 100 gallons of water to make 1 pound of beans.
Trujillo's family alone controlled 3/5 of the country's gross domestic product, including monopolies over salt, beef, and newspapers.
Okay, but this seems promising. Can we buy the right beef and lower our emissions? Maybe by buying locally produced beef to minimize our footprint?
When do you want me to serve the squash and the beef?
So we're literally serving squash and beef?
You said we're squashing beef.
Do you even know how often I have ideas like that? Never.
Andrew's Beef Wellington calzone features, it's just a beef Wellington in a calzone.
Onto the griddle goes a little splash of vegetable oil, and then, Jesus, Andy, is that 2 pounds of beef?
You said bell peppers and beef. There's no beef in here. So you wouldn't really call it bell peppers and beef, now would you?
One of which is a beef broth from scratch. I'm cutting up some onions, some carrots, and throwing in some beef neck and knuckles.
Which is why sharks won and construction began. Cool, but what's the deal with the beef in this brief?
Americans eat nearly 4 times more beef than the global average. Our dairy intake has been increasing for decades too.
Beef.